Hey, it's Ken from Get English Tips here. Welcome along. We've got a question to ask Ajarn Ken, and someone's asking about all and everything. They seem to be getting a little bit confused, and it's quite a common problem with English learners, especially at the beginning. They're asking what is correct, all is welcome or all are welcome. Which one's correct? Well, the correct one is all are welcome. Generally, is will be used for single. For example, he is and she is. And are generally will be used for plural. We've got we are, many people. They are, many people. So all will be more than one person, yeah? So all are welcome. That will be the correct one. All are welcome. The other one they're asking is all of us is or all of us are. And that again follows the same rule. All of us are, because all is more than one person, so all of us are welcome. Everything will be single. Everything, one thing. So everyone or everything is there. So this is just kind of bundling all of it together in one. So everything, every individual thing is there. So all are, everything is. That would be the correct way of using them. So I hope that's answered your question. If you want to practice and give an example, do it below in the comments and I will check them for you. If you've got any more questions, then please get in touch, leave a comment, and I'll be glad to do a video to try and help you improve your English skills. So hopefully I will be seeing you again very soon. My name's Ken. Bye for now.